EV MPV from China is everywhere now. The spec is good, the price is good, so it's very competitive for Toyota. Even though they are better value compared to Toyota Alphard or Vellfire, but Toyota reliability will never lose. Toyota Alphard or Vellfire is still holding strong in MPV market because not everyone is really into the EV. So today I want to share with you the 5 things that you need to know when you get this. Before I start, I would like to share with you some things that I feel that luckily is included. If not, it's very hard to compete in the market now. First, they upgraded to a 2.4 turbocharged engine as compared to the 2.5 NA in the previous model. So power-wise, it's gained so much more, and also the fuel consumption is better than the previous one. The second one is this one. The shades no longer manual, and then this ventilated seat. Previously only the front passenger, but now the pilot seat gets it too. Now 360 camera is make it standard instead of optional in the previous model. Last, wireless charging. Previously only the front got the charging port in the armrest. Now they put the charging pad at the front here, and you get charging port over here too. Previously it doesn't come with it. Not only the pilot seat, the third row gets it. Those are the things that I feel luckily they have it. Alright, now the 5 things that you need to know when you get your Vellfire or Alphard. First is going to be the memory seat. The memory seat is not only for the seats, it's for the side mirror and also the steering wheel too. So to set it, you adjust the position that you want, and the side mirror too. Okay? When it's done, press the set, and if you want to set it at the memory 1, there's 1, 2, 3. Okay, I set memory 1, so you just press set 1. You hear the beep, it means it's already set. Okay? Let's see. I press 1. Okay, so this is how it works. But okay, I set to another position. But when your car is moving, okay, D, even though you press 1, nothing will happen, just like the previous model. Okay? Second, the electronic parking brake. Whenever you shift to D, it will auto disengage. Whenever you shift to P, it will auto engage. But sometimes when you get it and you feel that it's not in auto mode because it's already off, to turn on or turn off is very easy. To turn on, just pull and hold. To turn off, just press and hold. Okay, now I'm turning it off. I press and hold. Deactivated. Okay? So whenever I shift to P, I need to engage myself by pulling it. Okay, just pull once. You check here, you check over here, next to the word refuel. Now it's engaged. Okay, so most of us prefer to make it auto activated and deactivated. So to turn it on, just pull and hold. Now it's activated. Third, the self-tilt side mirror. Whenever you shift to reverse, it will tilt down for better visibility from the side. Both sides, both sides. To turn it on or off, simply press this. When there's a light, either left or right, when there's a light, it means the auto self-tilt is on. When there's no light, it's off. Now I turn it off first, okay? Look at the mirror, okay? Look at that. Reverse, it's not moving, okay? Let me turn it on. It doesn't matter left or right, okay? It doesn't matter left or right, okay? Just So we press this one. Okay, now it's on. Then I turn it reverse. It's going down. If you want to adjust the position that you want, then while in reverse, while it's on, you can adjust here. Okay, you can adjust yourself. Now the left side. I adjust myself. Even further down. Okay, now it's already set. I shift to P. Let's try it one more time. Now it's already on. Okay, either left or right. Either left or right. Okay, I shift to reverse. It's going down. It's going down. While I'm reversing halfway, I don't need this one. Okay, I want it to go further up, no more down. So just turn it off. Then it'll back up. Okay, so this is the self-tilt side mirror that you need to know. Now the engine is running. The switch over here, the power door and the power boot. When the engine is running, all these three buttons is not working. Okay, all these three buttons is working only when the engine is not running. I turn it off now. Now it's off. Okay, power door. See, power boot. Another power door. So when the engine is off, then the button here is can be used lah. Alright. Let me off this one. And last, to fold the seat at the back here. Okay, you need to know how to fold the seat when you need more storage at the back. For the new one, alright, there's two positions. One is over here, and another one is over here. Alright, previously there's one, but now they have two. Okay, to fold it, you must make sure the track is stopped over here or here. They already show you 1, 2. Okay, first just make sure you put it to the indicator here. Okay, then second, pull this one up. Okay, then take out this. Wait. Okay. Now, this is how you fold it. Okay, there's two positions. 1, 2. Okay, now for this one, it's already here. So you don't have to slide anymore. Just take out this one, go up, and then again. Done. So this is how we do it. Those are the things that you need to know when you get your Toyota Alphard or Vellfire. So this particularly is a Vellfire. Actually, the Alphard and the Vellfire, they are more or less the same. So to know more, you can check my video here.